it! We're in New Zealand! Wow!
Yay.
Hey! New Zealand looks great, but what do you want to do? Right, what do you want to do?
What do you want to do?
Do you want to eat crayfish? Do you want to play cricket? Do you want to eat pavlova? It's me, Ben, I want to eat fish and chips, yes. So, Eric, let's write. We would have drilled that before. Okay, we already know. Now we're trying to guess what people want. So, on a piece of paper, we'll write the top 3 of things we want to do in New Zealand, okay? So, can I have a piece of paper, please?
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 There you go. And for this, you also need a marker or a pen. I suggest to tell your kids to take either a black pen or a blue pen, but everyone takes the same, because if someone writes with a glittery pink pen, we'll all know that it was Sasha who did that or whatever. So, blue markers here. Can I have a marker, please?
Can I have a marker, please? Thank
Can I
you.
have a marker, please?
Can I have a marker,
please?
Okay, and write list of things we want to do. I want to play cricket, I want to visit Hobbiton, etc. Okay, is everyone finished?
Yes.
So now, you take your paper and make it the tiniest ball you have ever seen. Super small, like really, like smash it. Smash it to smithereen. It's like super small. Is it super small? It's not super small yet. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Haha. And ready? Together we'll throw the ball in the air. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Being attacked. And pick up one ball. Okay. And which one? Just choose one. Okay. Got one.
One here.
Let's open them. So in a group like this, you want to make sure that people don't have their own paper. Okay. No one has their own paper?
No.
Perfect. Whoa. What are the odds in a group of 4? So now we'll say, this person wants to. This person wants to. I'll start. This person wants to eat pavlova. This person wants to visit Hobbiton. And this person wants to visit Rotorua. And I think it's Taz.
It is.
It is? Ah, awesome. Okay. There you go. So you get your paper back.
you.
And it's your turn to guess.
What
This person
This person
wants to.
wants to visit Hobbiton. This person wants to eat fish and chips. This person wants to play cricket. I think it's Ben.
No, it's not me. So that means you lose a turn. You'll have to try again later, but we move on to the person closest to you.
This person wants to play rugby. This person wants to eat fish and chips. This person wants to visit Hobbiton. I think it's Ben.
No, it's not me. So, let's see what Manon finds out.
This person wants to visit Hobbiton. This person wants to play rugby. And this person wants to visit Rotorua. I think it's
Yeah. So now, thank you, Manon. I get my paper back, and whoever's not found out who it belongs to can try again. So, if you're in a big group, what's great with this is that you actually make them speak as much as they can. If you don't have that much time, they can just start again and say, "I think this person is. I think it's. Who do you think it is?
I think it is Manu? No.
Oh!
It's Claire.
So Claire?
I think it's Manon.
Yeah.
Okay. And so?
I think it's Claire.
Okay, everyone got their paper back. Excellent. Perfect. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye.